Hello, American Cocktail Club. Check out this month's box called Flowers and Spice and Everything Nice. In this month's box, we have some vodka, some Hibiscus Habanero syrup by our friends over at Spirits of Alchemy, a little bit of Prosecco, and then for garnish, we have some dehydrated lemon. And then not included in the box is a little bit of fresh lemon juice. And like I always say, yes, it has to be fresh. Are you ready? Mwah! Let's make a drink, lover. Take our cocktail shaker, fill it up with ice, and then we are going to add 1.75 ounces of your vodka. We are going to add 1 ounce of that beautiful Hibiscus Habanero syrup, a half ounce of fresh pressed lemon, and then we're going to give that a good shake, like tighten it down and then give it a shake. A shake. Then we're going to double strain that into our flute glass. And then that's right, you guessed it, we're gonna top that off with our Prosecco, somewhere around 2 ounces, but I just fill her up. Last but not least, we're gonna garnish with that dehydrated lemon, and I'm just gonna put it on top like a little hat. That's it. Cheers, American Cocktail Club, enjoy.